this video, I'll explain what it means to integrate y with respect to x. I'll also show you an example of integration. Integrate y with respect to x means to find the area under the curve when y is plotted against x. You might see this written as the integral symbol y dx. The integral symbol that looks like a curly s is integration, and the dx means with respect to x. To solve, place the function given to you in the question in place of the y, and then integrate. Let's look at an example. Let's say you're asked to integrate y equals x squared plus 1 with respect to x, and that's for x between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are our limits of integration, so you're going to be finding the area under the curve between those 2 points. The first step is to replace y in the formula with the function you're given. So that becomes the integrand x squared plus 1 dx. To solve this particular function, we'll use the sum rule first. The sum rule means we can split that into 2 parts. So we have the integral of x squared plus the integral of 1 dx. If we integrate those 2 separate parts, we get x squared, which becomes x cubed divided by 3. That's because of the power rule, which says when you have a power function, you add 1 to the exponent, so that would become 3. Then you divide by the new exponent. The integral of 1 is always x, and as we use that sum rule, we need to add them both back together. That gives us x cubed divided by 3 plus x. The last step is to take that formula and plug in our limits of integration. If we put 0 into the formula, we get 0. And if we put 1 into the formula, we get 1 1/3. We add those together, or simplify. That gives us 4/3. If you found the video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.